I'm Selina. I'm here with Prospero Medical at Ghazi Hospital to get my toe shortened. I was able to speak with the medical advisor Turan over WhatsApp for a period of time where he let me know all the details. He was very professional, and yeah, I was able to also go to the clinic and meet with the doctor. The doctor explained the whole procedure to me. He told me all the details, made me feel very comfortable, and yeah, I'm very excited for the surgery. It's in a couple hours, so I'll see you guys after that. Hey guys, it's Selina. How are you? So today's my last day at Izmir. I'm on day 4 now of my recovery. At first I thought it was going to be quite daunting. I was very nervous, but luckily it's gone really well. My recovery has been great actually. I'm already walking again without the walker, which is great. Lali's been taking great care of me here at Mandarin Grove. I've been able to relax by the pool, eat good food, and yeah, just recover peacefully. Yeah, so now I'm on my way to the clinic again to see the surgeon to have my final post-op. I'm going to get re-bandaged and re-cleaned. So yeah, guys, I'll see you shortly there. We'll be heading there now, so see you later. Hi guys, so I'm at the clinic right now. I've just had my final post-op with Dr. Safar. I'm really thrilled with the results. My toes are looking great, and yeah, everything's gone really smoothly, to be honest. I'm gonna get my flight back tonight, so I'd like to recommend anyone who wants to have any surgery to come to Prospero Medical in Turkey. Thank you.